Hello, I'm Yuvraj Lakamraje Bhosle. I come from a place and town called Sawantwadi, which is in Maharashtra, southern part of Maharashtra. Our family lineage, we originally come from Rajasthan. It's been over 450 years since we have come down here. I'm the 19th generations, and right now here, my parents and my wife and me stay here. Mostly, this place was known for its art. It's known for its culture. That was the main idea of it. And what I see over here is that there's a lot of people who are very artistic in nature. I'm just not saying in the field of painting. It may be music, it may be acting. Last week we had the Dashavatar over here. And the Dashavatar is just an art form, which is a natak, what we call here. So a lot of people would have movies and go to movie theaters, but over here there are people who come here and watch this art form, and this is all during the festive times it happens. But here we had it as a cultural event because for the artists to perform in a palace, for them it's something great, and that is what we do. Even the local people, I think, as I told you, that they're artistic in their mindset, and this is what they want to do. So they try to help each other. They try to revive the art. They want to do something more for the artistic people, and we with them also try to do it. So in all those fields, they're very artistic, and they are moving forward in that. Even if you see their mindset, if you see like how artistic mindset is very eccentric. I think so. The family has always contributed and always helped these artistic people, and that's what today also we want to do.
सावंतवाडी प्रसिद्ध कशासाठी? लाकडी वुडन टॉयज प्रसिद्ध आहे ना, भूगोलमध्ये तर नाव आहे आमचं. सावंतवाडीची खेळणी प्रसिद्ध म्हणून इथे लोक येतात. आम्ही सगळे गोव्याचे, मूळ गाव भुरीशिरोडा. खरं आमचं आडनाव शिरोडकर. पूर्वी आमच्या सावंतवाडीच्या राजाने आम्हाला इथे आणले सावंतवाडीत. ते चित्र काढायचं म्हणून चितारी नाव पडलं आम्हाला. म्हणून ते संपूर्ण आळीला ते चितारळे म्हणतात. लाकूड गिरणीवरचं केलं चिरून आणतो आम्ही साईजप्रमाणे. इथे मग ते कटिंग करतो. कटिंग केल्यानंतर जे पाहिजे तसा आकार देतो त्या लाकडाला. आकारल्यानंतर ते पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर दुसरं पॉलिश करायला जातात. ते खेळणी पॉलिश केल्यानंतर मग लांबी लावायला जाते. मग त्याच्यावर प्रायमर मारला जातो. प्रायमरल्यानंतर फिनिशिंग करावून त्याच्यावर परत घासकाम करून नंतर रंग मारला जातो. रंग मला त्याला शेडिंग करून ब्लॅक व्हाईट पेंटिंग करतो त्याच्यावरती. मग त्याला वॉर्निश मारतो. वॉर्निश मारून झाल्यानंतर ते दांडी असते ती खेळण्याची, मग एक पीस कटिंग करून मग पोकरलं जातं. चायनाजमुळे काय आलं, त्यांचं लाकूड हलक्या क्वालिटीचं पडलं तरी वस्तू ती मोडणार. आमची वस्तू पडल्यानंतर मोडणार नाही, म्हणून लोक आमच्याकडे येतात टॉयज घ्यायला. चायनाची आतून घ्यायला बघत नाहीत. कस्टमरच सांगतात ना, आम्हाला चायना नको, तुमचं काय ते द्या. आमच्याकडे तर 7 कामगार आहेत. लेडीज 4 आहेत आणि पुरुष 2 आहेत. आणि आम्ही सगळे घरातलीच माणसं ना, तरी काम करतो.
माझं नाव अमित सुरेश चितारी आहे. मला यायचंच नव्हतं, पण ते कसं आहे, हे ट्रेडिशन जपणं पण खूप महत्त्वाचं होतं. मी ज्यावेळी आलो त्यावेळी ह्याचं प्रोडक्शन खूप कमी होतं. म्हणजे तेवढं मास प्रोडक्शन होत नव्हतं. मागणी भरपूर होती, पण मास प्रोडक्शन होत नव्हतं. ते हळूहळू कन्वर्ट करत आम्ही मास प्रोडक्शन मशीन्स घेतल्या सगळ्या.
माय नेम इज स्नेहल तांबुलवाडीकर खेडकर. I am an artist and art historian. I am academically involved with JJ School of Arts currently. Toys are something which is very utility oriented, changes with generations. It has to. You cannot force heritage on people, right? And culture is a living organism. Something which ends is history.
अजून वाढवायचं आहे आमचा बिझनेस. ह्याच्यापेक्षा काहीतरी नवीन लोकांना द्यायला पाहिजे, ही आमची इच्छा आहे. लोकांना काहीतरी वेगळंच दिलं पाहिजे तर चालणार. थोडं ते एक तुम्हाला तेच धरून उपयोग नाही. नवीन लोकांना काय वेगळं दिलं ना तर गिऱ्हाईक येणार. आणि
माझं नाव कमलेश शिदारी आहे. माझं वय 20 इयर्स. आणि मी नाशिकमध्ये प्रॉडक्ट डिझाईन या कॉलेजमध्ये शिकतो. फॅक्टरीमध्ये माझे बाबा आणि भाऊ माझा मॅनेज करतात. ही माझी 5वी पिढी अजून चालवते, कंटिन्यू ठेवते. ही आमची चितारी ट्रेडिशनल आर्टवर्क पूर्ण इंडियामध्ये नव्हे तर बाहेर पण फेमस हो. आणि कसं आहे की माझी एक इच्छा आहे की आमचे जे वुडन प्रॉडक्ट्स आहेत, इवन टॉईज आणि सर्व घरामध्ये असो की ते बोलायला पाहिजे की ही चितारी फॅमिलीकडून एक टॉईज आहे.
Namaskar, I'm Shubhada K. Rani Saib Shubhada K.M. Sawant Bhosle.
Namaskar, I'm Shraddha Lakham Sawant Bhosle, a chef by profession, the mayor of Sawantwadi currently.
Ganjifa actually came down from Persia. The Mughal Sufi saints got this down during that time, during the 16th century. And basically, if you see, what does Ganjifa mean? It means treasure. So, and it was earlier known as Ganjife. Earlier, the Ganjifa cards were made of very expensive materials, like you had pearl inlay, you had semi-precious stones. And so that was known as the Darbar Kalam. And then it was the Bazar Kalam, which was normally made with card paper. Then the palm leaves were used during that time.
I think the initial steps have been to put ourselves out there, so to create awareness. So we created a website for the Palace Hotel as well, where we spoke about the family history, we spoke about Ganjifa, the steps that go behind it. We spoke about the social angle of it, of our artisans that are, at the palace.
So my name is Arya, Arya Sandeep Devrukkar. I have completed 4 years of working over here in the Sawantwadi Palace as an artist. Ganjifa is basically the playing cards. So this game was actually bought by the Mughals in 16th century. So you can say this is 16th century old art form. This was bought in 1627 by the Mughals over here in India. So you will see that there is also Mysore Ganjifa, there is also Karnataka Ganjifa, there is also Tamil Nadu Ganjifa. The different states of India were having its own Ganjifa. How it's based like own Ganjifa? Because it was based on the own local mythology over that area. When you come to this part of Sawantwadi, the Dashavatar is very famous. That is 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, starting from Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsiha, Vaman, Parshuram, Ram, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. These are the 10 incarnations, and each incarnation has a different value. So Matsya is the first avatar of Lord Vishnu. So it is the highest suit sign when you start playing this game of Ganjifa. So this game was actually bought by the Mughals, and this was played by the kings and their ministers while taking any decisions of the ministry. So they used to play one round of a game with the hand painted cards, and they used to take a decision on that. So how they used to take the decision? So if you are one of the minister, I am one of the minister, they used to play one round of a game, and if you won, so your strategy will be the prior strategy while conquering the area. In 2025, recently we got the honor to have a Ganjifa on a postcards.
There was a lady who was very insistent that we do these postcards, and fortunately it all worked out, and we released the first circular postcards of India. We got a GI tag in 2022 with the help of Mrs. Dhabade, who's our lawyer. Even fortunately, she reached out to us, and she was persistent that, Sawantwadi Ganjifa needs to come on the map. We tied up with Swadesh, which is a Reliance retail brand. We're in talks with Jaipur, which is an Aditya Birla brand. We started putting ourselves more out there. We've got NIFT come here, MIT come here, who've designed games, and they've done it beautifully. So we're working on a series right now. NIFT Gandhinagar has done these board games where they took the Ganjifa storyline from the playing cards, and they created this very strategic game.
For the artist, I would like to encourage them. See, we find it very difficult to get artists from the government. So if we can get some sort of a pension scheme for them, that would be very admirable for the government to do that job for us.
We have converted a part of this place into a hotel, and we have based it on the art form, because when people come there, they start talking about the art, then they get involved in the art. And the whole idea is that as many people can talk about this art when they are here, is that when they go back home, they will still be talking about it. So this is the idea that we want to put in the newer generation's mind. This is what we want to give out to this world. And at the same time, here there's a fine arts school out here. So both my mother and my wife both take help from them.
Patronage helps because when the one who has money also feels the need for it, then the art form exists, and once it exists, it is open to experience. If you're able to experience it, you feel the need to have it, and that is how it continues.
लाकूड किती मिळणार? आता कमी झालं आहे लाकूड मिळण्याचं, ठराविकच मिळतं आणि सरकारने बॅन काढलं ना लाकडासाठी, त्यामुळे खूप प्रॉब्लेम झाला आहे.
लाकूड तोडीला आता बंदी आणली सिंधुदुर्गामध्ये, त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला नवीन लाकूड मिळत नाही जसं पाहिजे तसं.
आम्हाला इवन गव्हर्नमेंट सपोर्ट करत नाही आहे, आणि मेन म्हणजे राजवाडा होता, त्यांनीच आम्हाला इथे आणलं होतं, ते पण राजवाडा पण नाही सपोर्ट करत आहे. ते त्यांचं स्वतः गंजिफा आर्ट बघतात आणि आम्ही आमचं वुडन टॉयज.
With the wooden toys, we do not touch that section also because we would like the Savantwadi people do that because that's where they have been doing it. So that's completely handled by them. My only thing is that how far is the wood going to be available? So we have been telling them right from the plantation of the wood, which is very necessary for conservation, and that's what has to be got forward. That's what we've been telling these people. So they have been slowly being paying a little bit more attention, but I still feel there's a lot more work to be done on that. Secondly, I feel that there are toys coming from other states also, Chanpatna and all the toys come. So somewhere or the other we have to draw that line too. I mean, they find it much more easier because they're just buying it and selling it here at the stores here.
We need wood to make a scientific discovery. We will not think about nature. But if we are thinking about crafts, then we'll say that wood is more important because that is how a developing country functions, unfortunately. But the wooden toy makers don't harm nature that much. How much toys are they manufacturing? Wooden toys, even if small in number, are still toys. So it is still alive more than Ganjifa for me. As an artist, I would have that opinion. Just existing doesn't make sense. It doesn't exist in the way it should.
लोकांना शिकवण्याची इच्छा खूप आहे, पण लोक आले पाहिजे ना शिकायला. लोकांना काय माहिती आहे, आता मोबाईल झालं सगळं. मोबाईल घेणे, फिरणे, मजा करणे. आम्ही नाही, आम्ही स्वतः राबतो ना.
Even today, not a single art institute in India teaches Indian traditional art forms because they are folk art and tribal art. Lok Kala, they are called. They are not considered as classical forms of art. So that the main distinction lies there. One significant problem about wooden toys has been that it has been limited to a certain area, geographically confined to an area. And that area has always been very challenging in terms of transportation. So people visit that area from coastal lands, but they are not directly connected to land networks. The toys, when it was a very active harbor and people came from everywhere, from all across the world, it was a flourishing industry because the market was flourishing.
एका गोष्टीसाठी तुम्ही छोट्याशा शहरामध्ये येणार नाहीत. एक खेळणं घेण्यासाठी तुम्ही गाडी वळवून येणार नाही, जे तुम्ही 400-500 किलोमीटर ड्रायव्हिंग करून अचानक जायचं एका ठिकाणी. कशासाठी? एखादं खेळण्यासाठी. तुम्ही घ्याल न घ्याल हा भाग वेगळा, पण अजूनही त्याच्यासोबत काहीतरी ॲट्रॅक्टिव्ह जर गोष्टी असतील तरच तुमची इच्छा होणार. आपल्या आधीच्या पिढीकडून ते कला गुण पुढं नेणं गरजेचं होतं, पण तसं आज दिसत नाही आहे.
हे आम्ही टिकवतोच कायमचं. आमचं नाव आहे ना चितारे. चितारे नाव सावंतवाडीची, त्याच्यासाठी आम्ही नाव जपतो आहे आमचं. लोकांना चांगलं प्रॉडक्ट दिलं पाहिजे तर तुला कस्टमर येणार.
नंतर मला समजलं की हे करण्यासारखं ह्या फील्डमध्ये भरपूर आहे. आता जरी मी बाहेर जरी जॉब केला असता तरी समाधान नाही मिळालं असतं, म्हणजे सॅटिस्फॅक्शन नाही मिळालं असतं. जे मी आत्ता इथे अनुभवत आहे हे माझं स्वतःचं आहे आणि मी काय म्हणजे इनोव्हेशन करणार ते हे माझं स्वतःचं राहणार. हे एक सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मिळतं इथे.
ती किती वर्ष चालेल म्हणण्यापेक्षा ती चालवली पाहिजे. पुढच्या पिढीने ती चालवली पाहिजे आणि आवडीने चालवली पाहिजे. प्रत्येकाने एखाद्या क्षेत्राकडे, म्हणजे आता माझे बाबा करतायत म्हणून मी तेच काम केलं पाहिजे असं नाही. ह्यासुद्धा क्षेत्रात म्हणजे मुलांनी करिअर केलं पाहिजे आणि आवडीने केलं पाहिजे. आणि बघायला गेलं तर हे क्षेत्र काही वाईट नाही. आता आम्ही कामाला आल्यानंतर आम्हाला कळलं की हे पण क्षेत्र चांगलं आहे. म्हणजे तसं मुलांनी ह्याच्यात पण करिअर करायला, म्हणजे ह्याच्यात काय एकच प्रकार हा नाही आहे, खूप प्रकार आहेत. मग प्रत्येक प्रकारात आवडीनुसार आपल्या करिअर करायला हरकत नाही.
खेळणी बनवण्यामध्ये मजा आहे. त्याच्यात जी मजा खेळणी बनवण्यात आहे ती कुठल्या ह्याच्यात नाही. त्याच्यात ती आवड निर्माण झाली बनवण्यापासून.
Sawantwadi is living proof that art doesn't need pity, it needs participation. The ones who give their hours carving simple blocks of wood into childhood, the ones who bear the responsibility of preserving history, the ones who speak loud so tradition isn't silenced, the ones who nurture what time tries to erase, the ones who carry a royal inheritance, guarding a living legacy. This is not just heritage. This is a legacy not locked in palaces, but alive in its people.